To send money from Japan to Nepal, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you should choose a money transfer service that operates in both Japan and Nepal, such as Japan Post Bank, Western Union, or MoneyGram. These services have partnerships with banks and other financial institutions in Nepal, making it easy to send and receive money. Next, you will need to gather the necessary information and documents, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account information in Nepal. If the recipient does not have a bank account, you can still send money to them through a cash pickup service. Once you have the necessary information, you can initiate the transfer by visiting the website or physical location of your chosen money transfer service. You will need to provide your personal identification and the recipient's information, and then pay the transfer amount and any applicable fees. The transfer service will then convert your Japanese yen to Nepalese rupees and send the money to the recipient's bank account or make it available for cash pickup. The recipient can then receive the money in Nepalese rupees. It is essential to compare the exchange rates and fees of different money transfer services before making a transfer. Some services may offer better exchange rates or lower fees, which can result in the recipient receiving more money. Additionally, you should be aware of any transfer limits or restrictions that may apply to your transaction. Some services may have daily or monthly transfer limits, and some countries may have restrictions on the amount of money that can be sent or received. In conclusion, sending money from Japan to Nepal requires choosing a money transfer service, gathering the necessary information and documents, initiating the transfer, and comparing exchange rates and fees. By following these steps and being aware of any transfer limits or restrictions, you can ensure that your money is sent safely and efficiently to your recipient in Nepal.